Hello everyone of the Diocese of Shreveport from your cathedral, the Cathedral of St. John Berchmans. I'm Father Peter Mangum, the rector of the cathedral, and as you know, the diocesan administrator of the Diocese of Shreveport. As we were unwrapping the sheep this year for our nativity scene, I couldn't help but think that we are a people, a flock, without a shepherd. So we need to continue to pray for the third bishop of our diocese. Continue to work with, pray for your own priests, your pastors, but we pray for someone who is going to be a good, holy bishop for us to be sent here to the diocese. And hopefully that'll be sometime soon. And just for your information, I have not heard a single thing with regards to when we will get a new bishop. It could be next month, it could be next year, I don't know for sure, but we still pray, obviously, that we receive one and receive one soon. One of the responsibilities I have as diocesan administrator is to pray for all of the people of the diocese. And so every Sunday and Holy Day of Obligation, which means Christmas as well, from the cathedral, you are being prayed for. I am, and the people present for that Mass are praying for all of the people of this diocese. Now, you probably heard that Pope Francis has called all the bishops of the United States to go on retreat the first part of January. Well, that also includes us diocesan administrators. So we're going up to Chicago first part of January. It'll be a time of prayer and fasting and penance. Now, for this southern priest to go to Chicago in January sounds like penance enough. But I will say this, Pope Francis is sending his own personal spiritual director, the retreat master of the papal household, to this retreat. So I really am looking forward to that. And I assure you of my prayers during this whole Christmas season and also while on retreat there with the bishops of our country, and as I'm particularly praying for you and for our third bishop. Well, may the Christ child bless you with his love and peace today and throughout the Christmas season and in this upcoming new year.